What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 7 a.m.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to go for a walk or jogging most days.
What do you do for work or school?
I am a teacher and I love working with children.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a playful puppy named Luna.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I love reading a good book and listening to music.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Absolutely. I love trying new recipes and experimenting in the kitchen.
Are you interested in any sports?
I am a big fan of soccer and basketball.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I used to play the piano, but now I enjoy singing more.
What are you passionate about?
I am passionate about environmental protection and volunteering.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can juggle 3 balls, not for too long, but it's a fun party trick.
Beach or mountains?
I am definitely a beach person. I love the sun and sand.
Early bird or night owl?
I am more of a night owl. I find it easier to focus and be creative later in the day.
Movies or books?
I love both, but if I had to choose, I would say books. They allow me to escape into different worlds.
Coffee or tea?
I am a big coffee drinker, especially in the mornings.
What's your favorite season?
Autumn is my favorite. I love the colorful leaves and crisp air.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, thanks for asking.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with loved ones and helping others makes me happy.
What's your biggest fear?
I am afraid of heights, so climbing mountains isn't on my bucket list.
What's one thing you are grateful for?
I am grateful for my health and supportive family.
What advice would you give to your younger self?
Don't be afraid to take risks and follow your dreams.
What's your usual commute like?
I take the bus to work, which gives me time to read or listen to music.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out?
I enjoy both, but cooking at home allows me to control the ingredients and save money.
What household chores do you like the least?
Ironing. It takes forever and wrinkles always seem to come back.
What do you typically do on your lunch break?
I like to go for a walk or chat with colleagues.
Do you celebrate any special holidays?
I love celebrating Christmas and spending time with family.
What's your favorite social media platform?
I spend most of my time on Instagram, sharing photos and stories with friends.
Do you prefer watching movies on TV or in the cinema?
I enjoy the big screen experience of the cinema, but the convenience of streaming at home is also appealing.
What's the most useful app on your phone?
My language learning app helps me practice English every day.
Do you prefer texting or talking on the phone?
I usually text for quick messages, but prefer phone calls for longer conversations.
What's the weirdest thing you have ever seen online?
I once saw a video of a cat playing the piano.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, I flew to Europe last year, and it was an amazing experience.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with others?
I enjoy both. Solo travel allows me to explore at my own pace, while traveling with friends creates shared memories.
What's the most interesting place you have ever visited?
I loved visiting the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu in Peru.
What's one place you dream of visiting someday?
I have always wanted to see the Great Barrier Reef in Australia.
Do you speak any other languages?
I am trying to learn Spanish. It's challenging but rewarding.
Have you ever told a white lie?
Everyone has. Once I told my friend I loved their new haircut even though it wasn't my favorite style.
What's the funniest thing that's ever happened to you?
One time I tripped and fell in front of a crowd of people. It was embarrassing, but everyone laughed, and it ended up being a funny story.
What's your favorite animal?
Pandas are just too cute. Their clumsy antics always make me smile.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
I would love to be able to teleport anywhere in the world instantly. Imagine all the places I could explore.